Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, the Broken View. First time here on Growing Guitar, I'm pretty sure about that. The first time we have this song called Ordinary Love. Alright, so this is a very easy song to handle here if you just take it as it is. One guitar, not a full band. We have 3 different chords here to handle, so let's take a look at this. No need for any capo since we're gonna use just bar chords for this one. So the first chord will be the C minor up here on the 8th fret with the bar. And then you need to add 10 on A and 10 on D. That's the C minor. Then we have the G sharp chord. You go all the way down here to the 4th fret with your bar finger. You bar all strings there as well. And then you need to add 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. And the final chord is the A sharp. The same grip as the G sharp, you just move the same grip 2 frets towards you and land here with the bar finger on the 6th position. Bar all strings there. Again, exactly the same grip. You need to add then the 8th on A, 8th on D, and 7th on G. Alright, so we'll learn the strumming pattern here, starting with the C minor chord, and one string around will be down, 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 4 downs, and I like to play the 3rd down with lower down on the higher notes and all the other downs 1st, 2nd, and 4th on more of the bass string. So bass, bass, top, bass. Perhaps not all the way down to the absolute highest notes, but a little bit in the mid. So okay, so one round is like that. So the verse play and the chorus play, that's what we're gonna look at. And the verse play is C minor. You're gonna play that for 4 string rounds, and then the G sharp for 4 rounds. That's it. So 3, 4, and G sharp, 2, 3, and 4, and back again. 4 and 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's the verse play and the chorus play. You're gonna play G sharp for 3 rounds, and then you're gonna go up to the C minor and just play 1 down and a pause, and then you play the A sharp for 4 rounds, and that's it. So G3, C minor, 1 down only plus a pause, and then A sharp 4, like this. 3, 4, and again G, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the chorus play, and that's how we're gonna handle the song from the Broken View called Ordinary Love, Ordinary Love. Yes. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, leave me a like on this one. Until next time, play tuned.